guys, we just finished our 2 hours ceramic lesson and it was so fun. If it was depend on me, I would stay there a full day. It made me want to go and take sculpturing class again. Really fun. Hey, we're here guys, Mother Vegan Cafe Bistro. Let's cross. So this is our menu. We took the pie with mushroom and I also took an apple pie. Here we got the mushroom pie and it smells divine. And here we got the apple pie, a lot of pies. Itadakimasu! We stop here next to pet store and they have animal clothes. How cute! Let's see if we can find some present to Hector and Lana. They have a tiny... Oops. I think this is for birds. Walking for like 20 minutes, so we're almost there. Up here at the park, we're like 2 minutes away, but we wanted to enjoy the wind for a bit. So nice here. Hey guys, so we're at the Panathenaic Stadium. I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly. And we need to buy tickets here for 10 euros. And then we can go from there. Okay, so we have the tickets, but first a bathroom break. So we came in a perfect day. Not, because they're building a huge stage here, so we cannot even run like we planned to in the inside. Wow, those are really deep stairs. I think there's gonna be a show here tonight, which it's not fair. They should take like every prize because they basically took over the whole space here. And you cannot really, you know, run in the middle like a champ. So it's kind of annoying. They have like construction building a stage right where they're actually supposed to be a running course. And again, they didn't even told us beforehand. You just come inside and then you get surprised like that. And it takes like 50% of the stadium. So really rude. But we're gonna try and do the best of it.
En las tabernas risueñas. La fiesta comienza, cánticos a las...
Okay, we saw they also have a museum there, so that's where we're gonna go. And right now it's almost 4:30 p.m. Look at those stairs, guys. Look how narrow they are. The size of my feet. Now we go inside here. We think it's a museum, we're not sure. Ooh, into the dark, so mysterious. More stairs, because we love stairs. Wow, this one is like an optical illusion. If you look on it too much, you're gonna get dizzy. What's that? Set it on fire. I suppose stealth. That's how it actually is supposed to look when it doesn't have a big stage covering it. And people basically participate here in the middle, and here you have a racing track. They fool us. We thought it's like a real pot for water. They can't even afford water. So it's almost 5 p.m. and it's time to get out. Really, when we first arrived, we thought we want to go straight out because this thing, but eventually we've been here for like almost 2 hours. So yeah, we really make this ticket worth it. And even made some runs here because it's such great shape. And now we're gonna go for 40 minutes to a fully vegan restaurant called Winner Vegan, because every vegan is a winner. So we're gonna go from the park. This guy is a bit too flashy. Chen, the cat man, keep disturbing cats wherever we go. This one has such a funny seat. He's doing yoga like Libby. I think this all set belonged to the show we saw in the stadium. It seemed like they blocked this whole street. Look at this adorable little pound. There is like an angel there, I don't know, a person. And here they have so many sea turtles. Oh my gosh. There is one on the rock there. They're living the life. Look at this dude. His butt is up and his head inside the water. Ooh, those two look like they're fighting. What are they doing?
Through alleys bright.
It's so cute. It's like National Geographic of turtles. The Ninja Turtle. It's so funny. One of them keeps smacking the other turtles, and there is a baby turtle there. And the one he was smacking was a pacifist. You just ignore him. Oh, it is a baby turtle. There's so many of them. I think over 20 turtles. Every time I go on vacation, there is some shooting in progress. This is crazy. I'm walking with a cat obsessive man. And we're here, guys. Winner Vegan. Okay, so this is the menu. We took the miso mushroom noodles and sauté high protein bowl. The rest are quite spicy, so it's a bit problematic for me. Look how pretty is this dish. They have tiny flowers to decorate it. I'm just gonna take out those little spicy ones. And yeah, we're gonna keep them for Chen because I don't like it spicy. And we're gonna try it out. Tadakimasu. We got the second dish. It's a tofu tempeh bowl with veggies, and look how beautiful the organization of the bowl. Nom nom nom. Look, a store fully dedicated for this team. Yeah, we're inside the flea market. Oh, there's ferrets on top. Oh, there's the baklavas. Oh, look how beautiful this one. It's like a butterfly wing, like my other animal wings. Look at this cute bag. It's a kitty shape, but it smells like leather. It's doing Tarbuka style. Like resort, so we stopped here at Locomate, some traditional Greek dessert made of like small balls of dough. Here they have like a small info paper. What is Locomate? Here we got the dessert. It's a little puffy balls with jam inside and chocolate on the cover. So much chocolate, guys. Actually an orange jam inside. I was sure it's gonna be strawberry. Dark chocolate taste and inside orange jam. So time is now 7:30 p.m. and it's time to go back to the hotel. It's been such a long day, really long day. And yeah, now we're gonna go back to the hotel, rest, take a shower. I do hope they have warm water in the shower this time. And I think, yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. So bye for now.